Oh, dude, now you don't have to worry about air conditioning.
Whoa. What?
You don't have to worry about air conditioning now, man. You got a convertible.
Yeah, pretty much.
So you gotta take the windows out to do the insulation? Is that what's going on?
No, but I read that the caulking that they use, I mean, it's 20 years old, so they were saying take it out and get all the caulking out and then redo it so you can reseal it. And it's just easier to paint once you have all the windows out. Too.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah, What's up, YouTube? Day 4, working on the bus. Picked up this last night, hoping that this solves my problem that I wasn't able to get the screws out. Before, what I was using was this piece of crap, and it was just not getting the screws out at all. Even started smoking at one point. So here's kind of a test to see if this guy will work. So much easier. Can I get that off? Nope. Oh, that one's not coming off. These ones are though. The idea of what I'm doing here, so this metal right here that I have, as you can see, that's not all the way up here, but it goes up underneath here, and to get that off, I'd have to take this off on the outside. I don't know, I wasn't comfortable with doing that. I'm sure it wouldn't be that hard, but decided I've seen on other videos where people just taking a Sawzall and cutting the metal off, and then I'll just grind that down so it's a nice smooth edge when I put the wood up. Anyways, just kind of give you guys an idea of what I'm doing. Not that I know what I'm doing, but here's what I'm doing. Show you guys real quick how I'm getting the windows out. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see that, lighting's not great, it looks like from here, but there's, right in here, there's a little, there was a little screw, little latch thing there. Right there, you can see there's no caulking. So I just get my crowbar in there and pull it, and the window pretty much comes right out. There's some spots, oh, well, need to take that one off. Saving these pieces. I don't know if maybe I probably need to use them again when I'm gonna be putting the windows back in. So I've been taking and saving them in this little and of course, that one's not gonna come off. Alright, so I got it off. So show you guys on emergency exit what I'm doing. And I know if I don't know if it was the right thing to do or not, but I just did it for the first one, and so I'm doing it on this one. But there's a little wire right here. I have started up the bus. It does start up after I cut that first wire down there, but it did have the buzzing noise, like the something was. I think I cut it. Yeah, here last time, so I could re-put the it on. So you just take a pair of wire cutters. Ooh, the cutting part. Oh yeah, the cutting part's back there. That's the wire splitting part. Snipper. It just comes out like all the rest of them, just right out. Do that. That would be way too.
Oh, dude, now you don't have to worry about air conditioning.
Whoa. What?
You don't have to worry about air conditioning now, man. You got a convertible.
Yeah, pretty much.
So you gotta take the windows out to do the insulation? Is that what's going on?
No, but I read that the caulking that they use, I mean, it's 20 years old, so they were saying take it out and get all the caulking out and then redo it so you can reseal it. And it's just easier to paint once you have all the windows out. Too.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so.
And what color are you gonna paint?
I haven't decided yet.
You know what? I saw one that was all white.
Yeah, we've thought all white.
I thought that actually looked pretty cool. They shined up the wheels, and I thought it looked pretty sharp.
Yeah, we got, because we're definitely doing white on the top because there's this stuff called like Tropicool or something like that you put up there. But we were thinking, yeah, white, maybe maybe light gray, or we might do like a forest green type thing. But we haven't decided yet. One video, and people put the shower right here, and so that like if it's hot out, they could pop that. And it actually was nice because they took the shower head and like it could move and they could just drape it right there, so it's taller.
Oh,
but
I suppose you could. I mean, you just do a side. You have to do a side entry.
yeah, it's just we have to.
Toilet on the
I'll see how
shower in the middle and toilet on the edge over there.
Yeah, how they did it is it was a front entry, and then it was weird. They had the back you could still see, but then on the sides where they had a tile. On the back you could see right through, and the bed was right there. I'm gonna take the roof out. Yeah, there's been a lot of different. I've read people that say, oh, you don't have to, and I've read people that say, no, you need to, because there's insulation just like that. I love this, but so it's not very great.
Well, you don't have to put this back in though, right?
No, yeah.
You could wood.
Yeah, that's what. Well, because I've read that people they just leave this up here and just leave it, like how it is.
I've
but
seen
then,
buses that are that way.
yeah, but then what they were saying is that this metal and stuff like that.
Huh. Yeah, it seems a little taller. I thought these weren't quite as tall, but
Yeah, this one's 6'6", so I got like 3 inches. So we have to, because most people when they do like the furniture, they take 2x4 down and put it on here, and then put insulation in between the 2x4s, and on top of that they put plywood, and then they put the floor. But I don't have that much room, so I'm gonna do 1x2s, and then probably like
1x2s up here.
no down here.
Oh.
So just make like a layout so that you can put insulation in there, and so then also you have like
Oh,
a
you
place
gotta
for
lose some height.
yeah, I gotta lose a little bit of height. I've seen where one thing I was thinking about, so here I was gonna put back in one of the bus seats and rig it up so that I could hook the car seats back to it. And then people have just bought like if you've ever seen in like a tour bus how they just have like those like captain chair seats almost in them. Someone just went to a yard and found one of those and drilled one of those to the ground so that Marissa could sit there. But I don't know. I'm still thinking about that because.